Audio Jungle.
In today's video, we are going to make some drumstick stew with fried banana, yams and cassava that I stored in the fridge like 3 days before, and you will see in the end of the video how fresh it is. At first, I'm going to remove the feather and all the impurity which is in the drumstick, and then we'll be washing it with some vinegar and later marinate it with the marinade that I made in yesterday's video.
Audio Jungle.
I've recently learned that if you want to store either cassava or carrots or anything of that kind, you add water in a jar or any container which has lid, and then you add your thing you want the thing you want to store on the fridge. It will take you up to 3 months and it will still be fresh. Yeah, that is a trick that I've learned, and here I can see my cassava are just for 3 days ago, but I'm sure it will take me a good moment. Still, you will have to change the water every time that you use the thing which you stored in. Yeah, that is the trick I've learned, and I hope it will help you.
Audio Jungle.
If you watched the video up to here, thank you so much. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and a sweet comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Share it also to your friend. See you tomorrow. Bye.